See, Brian's all up in my shot and everything. Hi, guys. We're live. And yes, I am about to show y'all today how to create a weebly page, a weebly lead page. I'm going to show you guys mine, how I did it, and how you can do it too. Tasha's here. She's sitting next to me with her laptop. I wouldn't move the computer, but I don't want it to be all shaky. She's gonna come say hi, and then we're going to, we're gonna go over a couple things. I am going to,
hey everybody.
I am going to turn on question and answer. If you have a question, please ask me. I will answer it to the best of my ability. And I'm just gonna put a little note in here real quick. And we're just gonna go. So I hope you guys are ready to see what I have to share with you today. I'm gonna go ahead and screen share, and we're gonna get this puppy started. Yeah, I'm gonna screen share at some point. Ah, yeah, we're there. So first things first, I'm gonna show you guys my Weebly, how I created my lead page. I use Facebook for my Weebly. I also have one set up to my Google, so this is how I log in. And voila, this is my lead page. Actually, before I do that, let me just show you guys how it looks as the live version, so you can see what it is that I'm about to show you guys, what I made. This is my lead capture page. I basically have my quick, I don't know, description here of what it is that I did, just something short, sweet. My before and after picture. I do have my It Works journey video here. And then here I do have Woofu questionnaire, or Woofu forms, I'm sorry, for my Ready for New Me questionnaire for customers, and my application for distributors. I do an application process for anyone that wants to join the team. So this is what my capture page looks like. Yours does not have to look like this. It can look like whatever you'd like. So that is what I'm going to show you today, kind of how to customize. So then this is the, I guess, back office, if you will, of mine. And you can kind of see how everything's like separated. I've got the two columns here, and I just drag and drop each element. So I'm going to really go back out here, and I do have a new one that I kind of started. So I'm going to use that as a quick template and edit it for you guys. You can see how that works. Yay! And Tasha's working on her lead page as is. So, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, just get a little comfortable, get your drink or whatever. I got my little iced tea here. I'm not going to munch in your ears like I normally do at this time of day. But first page you're going to come to when you create a new Weebly website is you're going to they want you to choose your website domain. If you are going for the free Weebly site, your choice is to always choose the subdomain of Weebly. It doesn't matter if it's not what you really want it to be. We're just going to do Avengers test.weebly.com. That's going to work for me for now. Now, my site when I go live is going to be avengerstest.weebly.com, but it can be masked with a GoDaddy domain name. I just drew a blank there for a second. So yes, that's how that goes. I did kind of start with this one at the last webinar, so I do want you guys to kind of see how this works. You can, at the top, you can adjust the My Site or logo if you do have a logo. Of course, we do have the logo for our team, but I just put in a picture here so you can kind of see what it kind of looks like. Or you can use text. You can adjust the text and put anything you want up here. So yeah, that's how that goes. Here you're going to, I did just click and drag the title here. So I just kind of clicked here, dragged it over and dropped it. I'll show you how I did that real quick. No, I'm not going to show you how I did it because it won't come up. But yeah, okay, so I'll show you how I did this in a second. Delete that. But yes, so I'm going to go in here. I can adjust the title. Hey, want to work from home. I can change the color if I like. I can create a hyperlink to another page. There's a few different things that we can do here. Real quick, I just want to show you guys how you can adjust the color. And it's as easy as that. So that's where you can customize here. This background image, if you click here, you can edit the image. My favorite to use is a splash page, and then I choose the image, and kind of here, sorry about that. Here, I actually blur it a little bit. I like mine a little bit blurry. I just like the effect that it gives, and as opposed to like having the full image this way. That's just my personal preference. It's pleasing to my eyes, so I do add a little blur to my background page. Yeah, and that's how that works. Here you can just save that, pictures in there. You can save it to all pages, just one. For a lead page, you only need one page. You don't need like 50 million pages, home, about, and all that good stuff. So that's another good thing about the lead sample page. Now, if you're using a Weebly form, if you have a Weebly form for anything that you have, what you can do is you're actually going to go down here to, if I can find it, a little bit discombobulated right now. Embedded code. You're going to click and drag and drop. In Wufoo, it gives you a embedded code that you can choose. So you're actually just going to copy and drag and put that here. And that's how you can embed anything. If you would like to embed a YouTube video, you can do that here. Actually, here, let's do that real quick so I can actually physically show you guys how that kind of works. Oh gosh, that smells so good. My husband's making ribs and it's filling the whole house right now. So excuse me, I'm really loving this smell that's coming from my kitchen right now. So yeah, let's do, I'm just gonna choose one of my training videos here. And it could be any of these. We'll choose this one. So we're gonna go down here.
And I've taught this for West Point and Microsoft. And
this is a very good video, by the way. You guys should definitely add that to your playlist. But what I'm going to do to add it to my page is I'm going to go here to share and then embed. It's disabled for this video, but if you choose it for another video, I don't know why I thought I was going to click on one of my own videos, but you'll get the code when you choose embed. You can get the code. You can use that code, copy it, paste it, and yeah, here's one. So I'm going to take my organizational video that I did yesterday on Periscope. I did upload it to my YouTube if you missed it. Okay. And again, you're going to go to share here.
Okay, sorry. Yeah,
I hate hearing my own voice. It's so weird. Okay, so we're going to go to share. Again, sorry about that, guys. Embed. Here you're going to copy the code. Toggle back over to your, your Weebly website creator. Edit the custom HTML. I'm going to delete that out. I'm going to paste in my code. I like to center because I like things centered. And of course, it didn't take the whole code. But yes, that's how it works. Of course, it didn't even copy the whole code. But we're going to copy the entire code. But you get the idea. That's kind of how that works. I'm going to actually do this by touching it. Sorry. Copy. And nothing ever goes right when you are in the midst of doing it. Swear I was ready for this, guys. Okay, so here you're going to, I'm just going to delete this out because it's freezing me out of here now. But yes, again, embed code, click drop. When it comes up, you can edit it. You're going to go in delete that out, right click, paste in the code that you were using. Yay, success, embedded video. So you can do that. I always recommend that your landing page has a video. That's just me. You can choose what you'd like. I think a video is great because people love videos. It's short, it's sweet, it's to the point. So this is how you would embed the video into the page. You can also use the YouTube box here, drop it, and then instead of doing the embed link on the YouTube video, you're actually just going to use the share link here, and you can get the video to come up that way. I will show you real quick since I'm already here, but it's actually the exact same process. Just using, instead of the code, you're using the YouTube. It comes up a little different, and this is where you paste the code for this video. And voila. So either or. With the embedding, if you can see how it's a little off center, that's kind of what happens when you do that. But those are two ways that you can add a video. Okay. And that's that. So the next thing for me is, or the next thing that I do is add a, the actual lead capture, which is me grabbing the emails and getting them to enter their information in. So again, I'm going to pop in an embedded code here. It doesn't matter where it goes on the page as long as it goes on the page, because what I'm going to do is hop on over to MailChimp. I've already got my password and everything in here, so I'm going to log in. This is our team page. And what I'd like to do, I'll do this later. I don't know why it keeps popping up. I'm going to create a list, or take a list. I think I already made one for the sample purposes of this website. Can you see? All right, so I did do this. I've got one here. This is lead page. Now this is the list of emails that I'm going to be collecting. There are no subscribers, so I am actually going to do this. Once I go to list, sorry about that. To have the list up, I hate Windows 8. You're going to click sign up forms. When you click sign up forms, it'll give you the option of how you want to do this. You can do a general form, embedded form, subscriber pop-up, form integrations. I suggest the subscriber pop-up. You want to do the pop-up as opposed to the embedded form, because when you go to the website, the first thing you want to pop up is that pop-up saying, hey, give me your email. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And we're almost done, so bear with me for a few more minutes. This stuff is so easy, guys. Like, it's so super easy. So we're going to get this code. And we're going to copy the code. Should we do it again?
No. I just need to go on and set it.
Copy. Okay, and then I'm going to go back over to Weebly, edit my custom HTML, right click, and paste the code. Now, you don't see anything. The reason that you don't see anything is because it's not going to go live until I publish the site and it pops up. Okay, so anything else I want to show you guys before I show you how it pops up? You can add slideshows, you can add image, you can add galleries, you can add dividers, you can add a text box, and just drop it in there and say, I don't know, happy, joy. I'm in a silly mood today, so please excuse me. I'm just showing you guys this to show where you can customize it, kind of. But yeah, that is pretty much all that you really need on a lead capture page. You want to have a place that you can type in your information, your title page, or your title of the site and everything. You can adjust all of these things here. The name of the pages, you're actually going to go to pages to adjust. And now this says my site. I'm actually going to put like join my team. So instead of doing it like a menu, it's just going to pop up at the top since this is the only page that I'm using. I do have an about page, but it's actually hidden. See this eye here? I'll bring it up here. If you click hide page in navigation, you can hide the page. And then you can do like a button or something to it. Like I could put yeah, you can put like a button there, drag and drop it, and then you can, your button can link to a standard page. Voila. Now I do not have the, I don't have the pages listed up here, so it doesn't have like 50 million pages, but if this person goes to this live page and clicks, and the button just says about me, they're going to know to click it to find out your story. That link links to another page, and that's how it works. So I'm going to publish this. avengerstest.weebly.com is my webpage. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Whatever, I don't know. Business. And it's published, or it's publishing. Yay! So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Avengers test.weebly.com. Oh, if you're asking questions, I'm sorry, I haven't looked back over there yet. I'm going to go look over there in about 2 seconds. So you have a question, go ahead, drop it in there, because I'm going to go back over there in a second and start answering you guys' questions. But this is the page. It is live. Boom. You were wondering how I did that. Yeah, see? Now the pop-up starts by itself. I didn't have to do anything. I can, if someone enters their email address and first name, and I'm going to do it for the purposes of this, javebode18@gmail.com. Jave. I'm going to subscribe. Yay! Almost finished. We need to confirm your email. I'm going to confirm it when it comes in my email. But that's it. They're good. Now, the way that I do this, instead of setting it up that I have to go in and you can either do this through MailChimp to set up an automatic, an autoresponder. You will have to pay the fee to add the autoresponder. If you want a way around that, you will have to create an RSS feed to do so. That's a little more in depth that I have to go over today, because I am doing a million things today, but I can do another webinar later to kind of share that with you. But you can automate things so that when someone signs up for that, they can automatically get a response that says, hey, you know, this is what we got. But again, this part is a paid feature. There is a way that you can kind of automate without, yes and no. There's another way that you can kind of send automatic updates to people, but it is to subscribe them to an RSS feed and do it as a blog. I do have that going for another group, so when I get some more time, I will set up a new webinar and try to, you know, help you guys out from there. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That is kind of how it goes. That is how I make my my Weebly capture page. So it's pretty easy. I kind of just messed with it a little bit to figure out how I wanted to do. You can do the same thing for any type of web page that you want to make. If you want to make a blog, pretty much anything. But yeah, that's how it goes. Are there any questions or anything that you guys saw that maybe I went over just a little too fast and you're not really sure? I have a couple more minutes. I can answer any questions. Did you have any questions, Tasha? Anything that you needed to see again? You good?
No, I need to go on MailChimp.
So yeah, got MailChimp, you got Weebly, you're in business. Instapage is free for one capture page, I believe. I didn't like Instapage personally, just for my personal it was a little harder to customize. I'm really used to Weebly. I feel like it's very easy and it's free, and I can make several capture pages, all for free. So I certainly prefer Instapage and saving some of my money out of pocket. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I do it. That's how I created mine. I'd love to see yours. If you do create one, send me a message. Let me know what it looks like. I'd love to take a look. If you need any, some feedback or something, maybe I can help you out. But that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Click to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click to subscribe to whatever it is. And if you went to Djabi.com and clicked live to watch today's video, subscribe to our daily updates so you can get my blog updates. And other than that, see you guys later. Have a fabulous Monday. Is it Monday?
It's Monday.
It's Monday. Have a good Monday. Bye.